Sean here, an application engineer at Daytech Instruments. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the delayed triggering option in ExcelLink. As the name implies, delayed triggering allows you to delay streaming data into Microsoft Excel. So instead of streaming data into Excel at a particular level, you can trigger on an event leading up to the area of interest, insert a delay, and then begin streaming a certain number of pre- and/or post-trigger data points. To do so, we'll begin by launching Advanced Trigger ExcelLink from the Add-ons menu. With the Slope tab selected, we'll choose to record when the signal on channel 1 rises above 5 volts, as we've demonstrated in previous examples. But this time, we'll add a delay. The delay can be entered a couple of different ways. We can choose to enter it in terms of sample interval. In this case, 100 times 6.667 milliseconds, or about 2/3 of a second. Or in terms of seconds, which we'll do here. So we'll choose to stream 100 pre-trigger and 900 post-trigger data points into Microsoft Excel 2 seconds after channel 1 rises above 5 volts. Once we click the Start button and the signal rises above 5 volts on channel 1, we see that ExcelLink waits 2 seconds and then streams 1,000 data points into the spreadsheet. Graphing that data in Excel, we can see that 100 pre-trigger and 900 post-trigger points streamed into Microsoft Excel after the 2-second delay.